Mbica yuma ya ndogo ya gũita maithori na ndengeranio ya andũ nja ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Nyamira, Ma-MCA arĩa makũhingĩrĩirio kũingĩra thĩinĩ wa mbunge ya kaunti magĩtuthũra ngũĩ gĩikaro-inĩ kĩu. Ndũgamano ciumĩrĩte kumana na kwaga kũiguana kwa Ma-MCA na gũkorwo marĩ na mĩrũgamo ngũrani, amwe makĩrũgama na spika wa mbunge ĩyo Mofatea, nakĩo gĩkundi gĩa kerĩ gĩkĩnyita mbaru gavana wa kaunti yao Amos Nyaribo igũrũ rĩa ũrũgamĩrĩri wa kamĩtĩ cia mbunge.
Allowed the debate to go on, and you see when members make noise, you use the standing orders and tell them to keep quiet, because members are called honorable members. They are not supposed to make noise. They make a request, the speaker gives them chance to speak. So when members go out to make noise and blow whistles, then that is disorder.
Na umeona leo ile nchi imetumika si kihalali, si kisheria. Mwanasheria hawezi kushikwa, hatakikani kushikwa kutoka chengo la bunge, kwa sababu pale inaitwa protected zone, ambapo hatakikani askari hawezi ingia mpaka chengo asikuta.
Maabitha rũhonge rwa ũgitĩri manyugutire mĩkebe ya ndogo ya kũruta maithori thĩinĩ wa mbunge na gũtũma ajumbe matĩye ihenya rĩao rĩrĩa gũkinyire hĩndĩ ya kagũrũ ndeithia erĩ ya Ma-MCA makinyitwo no gũcoka kũrekio thutha-inĩ.
Knowing that they do not have numbers because they number around 9, they then decided to make noise and they were drunk. Others came with serious liquor and they wanted to shout down the speaker. The speaker has the powers under the standing orders to excuse them so that they can withdraw for a sitting and come back sober. They refused.
Wajumbe wenzangu kutoka hii kaunti ya Nyamira, tusilete siasa ndani ya maendeleo. 2022 iko mbali.
We are now into serious business. We are lagging behind in approving the CFSP, the county fiscal strategy paper. In the next 15 days, today is 15th, we are supposed to receive the budgetary estimates.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.